Good evening, classmate tutor. My name is Carlos Mosquera. I'm going to do my field about the question what do you do in free time. Some people like to read to relax. All other people like to play sport to relax. It's true. And then I saw in my city many people reading in different places and train and bus. The people see the many concentrate and you reading. Everybody know that reading is very important. The knowledge that the person keep it to reading had the ability and to a good expression. Many people say that they are more smart, had good vocabulary, good expression. They are very social persons, have the skill to communicate on other persons. Mm, uh, as well, the people like to sport to relax. This is great. The person, the sport help you the keeping health, help you your heart, help you your body. This is very improve you relax and to keeping calm. But I consider it is most important to have you read it. Have you read is most important for me. In my free time, I prefer to study or read topics about in English. Right now, I reading the fables, the different fables and lions. This is very interesting. It's very fun. This is fables. And read too much and about history in English and Thomas Sawyer, Peter Pan. This is in my free time. I like to read very much. This is my activity. Thanks. In my free time. Thank you. Have a good day, classmate.